That's dissecting it from the logical, from the masculine. You got to get in that feminine world. All it is in the feminine world, she's got feels. Show me what to do with these feels is what she's asking. There is no logic to it. It's not going to benefit you to come from, is this real, or you can't map it onto masculine logic. You see what her masculine logic is. It's the card, and that's delivered her here. That lead that she best knows to do it has got her at this place. So you can try and figure out that. No, that's because that's solving the question. The question comes from the feminine feeling below. What is actually there is you taking the lead of this conversation. Once you've seen and recreate her, the conversation is actually how do you and I create, you and I loving each other and creating something together inside of my life as it is. The conversation, whatever is uneasy for her, has her think, oh, you love this woman. That's what's not addressed. She's made a feeling mean, oh, you love that woman. And so addressing inside of that reality only deepens her inside of, it's true. See, this is where he's coming, because it's already answering the questions from ludicrous bullshit off in another. It's not even grounded in your reality. She needs to be sat down to understand, look, you're talking all this crazy stuff. I can't help you win that battle. I can't fight and defend your conversations. But in my life over here, I want to create this with you. And this is how much it means. When the time works, I'm sitting here, we're face to face. You are my priority. You have my attention. And because that's the invitation. How do you and I create this life together? Oh, I don't have it up, but masculine lead, unity. You're going from the you and I to you plus I to be unity, we together. You're stepping her from you plus I into unity, we. How do we step into, my life looks like this, my world looks like this, we're gonna bump up against this inside of it. And here, baby girl, I know this thing. This is what parenting and kids, and not insultingly, but that's something she's not aware of. Those are conversations she's having to take on and doesn't even get. But that's the you have the vision. That's the I can relax and let him take the lead. The feminine exhale, because you've got her, you see her, and you're showing up with that. The real conversation she does not know. The real conversation I assert by your lead is, how do we do this together and create this together? And yes, all of that stuff in my reality is real, but you're going to have to map on and figure out how you're going to deal with that versus how it's making you feel. I get your feelings. They are real and valid. I hear it. I see it. I'm here for it. I can't start by fighting from a place of something. Those aren't my real feelings. That's not what's really there, and I can't go down that with you. If that